with Miss Meta. Hi friends, I have a question for you. What do you think is similar with all of these images? Let's take a look at this one. How about this one? And finally, let's look at this one. If you thought, hey, they're landscapes, then you're right. A landscape is an area of land that you can see. You might be thinking, Miss Meta, what do landscapes have to do with this music lesson? Well, don't you worry, you'll see. When someone says to you, can you describe where you live? What do you say? Do you mention the homes, the shops, the streets? When we describe a place, we often forget about the sound of that place. And sound is often a big part of what makes a place special. Music is made up of many sounds. That's why today we're talking about soundscapes. Did you say soundscape? Yep. Is that a real word? It sure is. A soundscape is an area of land that you can hear. I see what you did there with the beach and then the soundscape. Sound is a big part of what makes a place special. Just think about your favorite place and the sounds you would hear. Well, my favorite place is the beach, so I guess I would hear things like waves and maybe seagulls or people laughing. Now, can you guess the place without seeing it and just listening to the soundscape? Let's try it. Let's try first with this one. How about this one? And lastly, this one. Today, we're going to create our own soundscapes using a website called Soundtrap. All of those soundscapes that you just heard, I created those on Soundtrap, and it's actually really easy. We'll talk about how you get there in just a second, but for now, choose a landscape. Once you have the idea of your landscape in your head, take a second to write down the sounds that you would hear. Remember, the sounds are like clues to tell the listener where they would be standing. So, in your soundscape, you want variety. That's really going to draw the listener into your soundscape. So, you might want to create a few sounds. Maybe one sound would occur once. Maybe another sound would repeat many, many times. And then sounds could be either quiet, loud, they could be high or low, fast or slow. Take all of these ideas in when you're creating your soundscape. To access Soundtrap, click on the link below, find your grade level, and follow the instructions. Once you've created your soundscape, I'll have a chance to listen to it on Soundtrap, and then I'll give you some feedback. I'm really looking forward to listening to your soundscapes. And I hope you have a great day. Remember to be kind to yourself and to others too. Bye.